My name is Michelle Velardo. I am the Finance and Administrative Assistant at Community Counseling Center.
My name is Theresa Lucero, and I work basically as a finance assistant.
We serve the whole of Southern Nevada, so that's Las Vegas and surrounding areas. We've been in business for just over 27 years. And we started off as an organization to serve the mental health needs of HIV victims and their loved ones, and we've expanded over the years to treat people with drug and alcohol conditions, severe mental illness, psychiatry. We even do HIV testing on site. The reason we started using awards in the first place was because the system at the time that we had to track billing, not client files, that was all on paper, but to track billing was dying. It was DOS-based. And I was asked to find something to replace it. And when I found Foothold Technology online, I saw what awards could do at that time, which it can do so much more now. It seemed like the answer to everything that we needed because it could ultimately make us paperless. It was interoperable. I could get reports that I had to do by hand before out of it. So we switched over. At that same time, one of our biggest funders was also mandating that we use their system that was funded by the state. Well, recently, over the last year, that system slowly but surely was dying as well because there was nobody to administer it anymore. The company went under, the state wasn't willing to pay for it. So all of the agencies in the state of Nevada that were receiving substance abuse funds from the state were being required to use an EHR. Initially, they wanted us all to use an EHR that they chose, which was not awards. We protested. Other agencies came to ask us what we were doing because we were able to both bill our grants and Medicaid and other insurances, and I told them about awards. So other agencies that received the same funding and were required to use an EHR slowly came together and they decided to contact the state, and they've all implemented. I've been fortunate enough to be able to talk to a lot of them and kind of tell them some of the things we've run across. And it was a very fun experience actually getting to deal with these other organizations and see how they implemented the system too that I'd been using for so long.